Number 236. A right triangle has legs of 20 and 15 centimeters. What is the length of the hypotenuse? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 45, 30, 35, and 25 centimeters and none of the above. Okay, so the question is what is the length of the hypotenuse? So let's draw the figure a right triangle. We have right triangle. Right triangle has legs of 20 and 15 centimeters. So these are the legs, the two legs, and the longest side, the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. Okay? So the shorter is the 15 centimeters and then the longer leg is 20 centimeters. So the question is what is the length of the hypotenuse? So this is the hypotenuse. So let's say this is C. Okay? So we will use the Pythagorean theorem, and the Pythagorean theorem is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared, where C is the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse C, 15 and 20. So that is A and B. Okay, so let's just substitute the given. So we're solving for C. So we have C squared is equal to A squared. So that is 15 squared plus 20. B is 20. So we have 20 squared. So we have C squared is equal to 15 times 15. So let's just multiply manually. 15 times 15. We have 5 times 5. 25. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2. We have 7. Distribute 1. 1 times 15. We have 15. And then add this. Bring down 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 15 squared is equal to 225 plus 20 squared. So 2 times 2, that is 4. So just copy the 2 zeros. So we have 20 times 20. So that is equal to 2 times 2, 4. And then just copy the 2 zeros. So therefore, 400. And then add this. So we have C squared is equal to 225 plus 400. That is equal to 625. And then last step, get the square root of both sides. Okay, so therefore the value of C is square root of 625. That is equal to 625. That is equal to 25 squared or 25 times 25. So let's verify if 25 times 25 is 625. So 5 times 5, we have 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, so we have 12. 2 times 25, that is 50. And then add this, bring down 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. So therefore, 25 times 25 is equal to 625. And the square root of 625 is equal to 25. So therefore, the correct answer is letter D, 25 centimeters. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay? So PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.